Yeah, hi, Julie. It's Mark at FMAV. Just to let you know that I've done your laser for you. I changed the laser. The motor that the guy's put in there is okay. All right, it does work. I'm not going to take it out, unless I needed to. I can see what he's done. He's made a pretty okay job because he's changed it for a different motor, but it's not got the little pins on the back of the motor. So he's wired it. He's sort of hardwired it. So I'm guessing with what he had is the only thing that he could actually do. So I trust that's okay with you. What I did notice on this part here, on this corner part, I had to cut up another part that I had because I believe it or not, I actually threw one of them things out the other week because I didn't really use it. But what I've done is I've cut this out here and put it in, because what was happening is the height of the disc, the height of this was higher where someone super glued it, and it was rubbing on the CD. So what I've done is I took that out and basically redone it for you, so it won't rub anymore. But I checked your cogs, your micro switch, and all the other little things that we do, and it's all working as it should be. It's showing 0 faults. I've had it running last night and this morning, and you can hear the CD going there, and we can go up a few tracks. I know the CD's pretty bad, so some of it does jump, but I'm going to go up a few tracks. So I've got a few tracks there, so you can see that working there as it should be. Yeah, so basically all's good. I'll get that in the post to you for today. So thank you very much for that, and you guys should be back in operation. You've got a 6-month warranty on that, on what I've actually done with the laser itself. I can't warrant other things because we haven't replaced them or anything, but on the actual laser you've got a 6-month warranty. All we ever ask for is if you need to send it back for some reason is pay for the postage back to you. So yeah, that's great. Alright Julie, thank you very much, and stay safe, and great to do business with you guys. Thank you very much. Have a great day.